convince the people we're not idiots.
All right, guys, welcome back. So, since the last video of the BMW, we've had a few incidents we've had to correct, or we're about to correct one of them right now. She still runs fine. But, if you get down here, well, it's hard to tell. There's a little bit of camber on that wheel. That tire is rubbing the strut. This tire, she's good. Rest of them, mint, dude. This one, we may have sent her a little too hard there, bud. So we're about to correct that issue right now. For those of you who don't know, this is our free BMW that we received. We've done pretty much nothing to it. We've just thrown some basic parts at it to get her on the road and go have fun with it, and that is what we've done. We've got very little money in it. The most expensive thing we've done to this thing is put a battery into it. So right now, we're gonna see if we can correct this wheel. I'm not really sure what's bent, and we don't have a whole lot of money to fix it. So I'm thinking we hook a strap to his truck, we hook a strap to mine, and we see if we can pull that wheel back straight.
That's going. Fit through here, but
Oh yeah.
oh yeah.
Man, dude. Okay. Give her a little tug on the top. I mean, it's tilting this way. We just gotta pull it back. It's just wrapped around top. Just needs a little persuasion. That's what I'm thinking. So let's hook her on here. Boom. Now we just gotta anchor your side. I don't see what could go wrong.
Right? I mean,
Brother, we're set. I think we need something like a frame or something.
there's
Hold it.
not much of that on this thing.
Okay. We're good.
We're so good.
Okay. Got back yours up. Make this taunt. What could possibly go wrong? I can't think of anything. This is obviously gonna work. Genius! I tell you what, we need to open a shop. All right, back yours up, nice and easy. I'll tell you when. Easy. Not like that time you almost ran me over with a car. Yes, we're doing this in the middle of the road because, well, we don't have no room. All right, whoa, that's good. Oh, whoa, easy there, Tiger. Why is everything of yours so stinking loud? Okay. Got to give her a little yank with the 4th gen, and I think we're going to be solid. Let's see what happens, shall we? You want to yank it?
I'll yank it.
You want to drive it? Okay, don't floor it. Got a lot of strap. All right, whoa, slow down. Okay. All right, ease her out. Let's see what happened. Whoa. Well, I definitely put pressure on it. I don't think it was enough. It does have wicked camber. I don't think it was enough. You're gonna have to give her some more, dude. Oh man, this is so sketch. You know, you can probably see, yeah, you can see where it's rubbing now. That did nothing. All right, back her up, straighten the wheel and back it up. Right there. All right, straighten the wheel a little more. Turn him a little. Turn. Right there. All right. What?
Oh no.
You don't think?
Wheels in there like
What? Nah, I'm sure it's fine. I don't know what you're talking about. What? It matches the rest of the car.
whack.
All right, let's give her another shot. Okay, I'm thinking this time, give it a little yanker. Little yanker 3000. Oh, he's gonna back up. Oh, buddy. Whoa. All right, whoa. I bet my neighbors love me. They're like, what in the world is he doing? I'll do it. Here, I'll get the good angle. I'm gonna straddle this strap right here, okay? Ready! Scooted both the vehicles. Let's see. Looking. Wheel's still cambered. Probably needs another. I'll straighten that wheel real quick. Here we go. I think we're getting somewhere. It's looking better. It's gotta be better. Because it was pretty bad. I mean, it might need another one, but let's see. Yeah. All right, we'll give her another one. Ready? Well, she's still scooting. I'm sure my tranny loves that. Oh!
Oh, really?
Like,
What's it look like in there? Huge. Crap. Well.
oh man.
Half a second.
We should have stopped the last one. Crap. How'd we bend? Guess we just need to take it off another jump. Hey, good news is it's not rubbing the strut anymore. You see where she was rubbing.
Subframe's doing here.
Oh no, she's fine, brother. That part's no issue. How bad is it? Oh, it's pretty bad. Well, you know, we're gonna pull the wheel off, see what we bet. I don't know.
I think
What?
we'll just put the strap on the bottom. We'll roll it forward. We'll put it like right here. We'll roll it forward so it's underneath it, and we'll yank it again the other way.
See, the problem is though, I don't think that's gonna work.
Yank it crooked.
Because
yank
the
it
ball
straight.
joint's on the bottom. I think it's bending where that ball joint is. So when we jumped it, it bent in and we yanked it too far out. Yeah. Stink, it was such a great idea too. I expected perfection.
I should have yanked it.
Yeah, we should have stopped at that last one.
Look where this hook was hooked.
Hey. I think we pulled it hard enough. We're gonna have to pull the wheel off, see what's going on. That's where we're at, bud. I didn't for a second think something like this would happen.
Right? I mean, nobody could have seen this happen.
Nobody. I mean, at least it's not rubbing the strut, okay? I mean, we did solve the problem. It just looks ridiculous. Ka-chow! Brother. Poor car.
What do you mean? Cold rubs ain't good for it?
Awesome. Well, that's gonna do it for now. We don't have a whole lot of time today, so we're gonna have to pull the wheel off, figure out what we just overcorrected another day. So stick around for the next one. Man, if you all need alignment work done, let us know. Dude, man, I mean,